Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. It's your boy Renelson. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm back again, and today I'm back with a very special one, a very special EP, whereby instead of us or when we as Kaizer Chiefs fans are supposed to be, celebrating, enjoying the moment, rumors, Nabi might leave. Kanjani, and I think we all know why. And I'm glad Nabi went to extra time Izolo, and I'm glad. Kudos to extra time. Kudos to Thomas Mlambo for asking the right question. You understand? Kudos for asking the right question. And there's a lot of what I've noticed or what I picked up is there's a lot of confusion that I wanna address amongst Amakosi fans because of now good this interview whereby Nabi stated that he would be dishonest if he was to say he's not leaving. You understand? He wouldn't, be honest. Magazoti he's not leaving because of, I feel like he's at the point whereby he's given, he's basically given the club an ultimatum. You know what? It's either you're gonna give me this or I'm leaving. I don't wanna go through what I went through this season. And I wanna clear a confusion with regards to players that the players that Kaizer Chiefs bought, that people think it was Nabi who woke up and said, I want this. So I want to clear everything so that some cases are on the same page, so that some cases will understand why Unabi actually entered shit. You understand? I don't think Unabi was going to go to extra time and get there and be like, you know what, if the club gives me the right tools, then I'll stay. Ukuthi club imnikeza budget ukuthi club imnikeza wonke ama players bengekaza ku extra time afika shele yonto le. So usho le yonto le because of he hasn't really gotten what he wanted. And I'll clear yonke into. First of all, I want us to start with the players that you guys think Nabi bought. First of all, let's start with Ubongani Sam. I'll give the one namhlanje Mourinho. I'm giving you guys more real. You want more real? I'll give you more real. First of all, Bongani Sam was never a signing Nabi. It was Kaizer Chiefs that bought that guy. Nabi uhlangane that guy eTurkey. If you guys forgot, Bongani Sam was never a signing Nabi. Nabi never got to SA and said, "Umfunu Bongani Sam." Guys, that's where our thinking caps on this episode. Can we please wear our thinking? Can you please wear or put on our thinking caps on this episode? Bongani Sam was never signing Nabi. Nabi had no idea it is a guy or Bongani Sam. So let's put that one aside. Number two, Bradley Cross. Bradley Cross was never a signing Nabi, but Bradley Cross was a panic buy. Why Bradley Cross was a panic buy? Remember we had Udi Tlokwe and we had Udodli coming, and Kaizer Chiefs did what Kaizer Chiefs said, Sizofaka Ubani, Sizofaka Udave, backup kube Ubongani Sam. Unfortunately, zalimala zoyithule za ku preseason. That means limala zoyithule za ku preseason. That's when batonza Ubani, batonza Cross. So more real again. Cross was never a signing Nabi, but instead Cross was a panic buy because of the two left backs, Udave and Ubongani Sam, they were injured. Are we on the same page? Sharp. Let's go to Ucele. I'm gonna shoot I want to list all the players and then nibon ukuthi kahle kule 8 kula ma players lawa 8 or 9 sorting it. It was only maybe 3 or 4 that Nabi gave a veto with, you know what, okay, let's go and get that one. Let's go to Ucele. Ucele sharp. Ucele got here January. I don't think Nabi had much information about the type of player that Ucele is, but let's because of his slandering Kaizer Chiefs, let's give them credits. They bought Ucele. I don't think mina Nabi knew Ucele. You understand? But because of Nkumbulo ukuthi Ucele uze kanjani, Ucele uze because of kuthiwe family issues and ton. So it was never Nabi that said at the end of the season, I want that player. Sendlula nalapho. No Ucele, axi signing Nabi, but he signing Kaizer Chiefs, which it was a good signing. Sharp. Lilepo is signing Nabi, that one. That's the number one. That's the first player. Or kulabo abanye ngizobabiza ukuthi uLilepo bekuyi signing Nabi. one of the players ukuthi uLepo was a signing yakanabi. Again, uMiguel Inacio Miguel is signing Ganabi, that one. Second player is signing Ganabi. Le unabi afike singayazi. And then Nabi was like, you know what, I want that guy. Inacio Miguel is signing Ganabi. Again, let's go. Utotli with this one ngizoyibeka njengale yakacele, whereby it was Kaizer Chiefs that signed Utotli, but it's good quality. But Nabi also ukhumbula ukuthi amanye ama-player unabi wathole take ku-preseason, amanye uwasayine this side, abo Inacio, abo Totli, abo Sirino. So it's Lepo, Miguel, Inacio Miguel, mhlambe no Gaston Sirino, no Ntwari, but I'm not sure on Ntwari that I can say I'm assigning Zaganabi. So let's do away ngalento ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs gave Nabi all the money and bought him all the players that he want. Nabi never said I want Cross. Nabi never said I want Bongani Sam. He found them there. Kumbula ukuthi Bongani aka Cross futhi wese, there was a point whereby season before last he trained with the Kaizer Chiefs. He trained with the Kaizer Chiefs, and then others one was like, no, I don't want this one. Waham. Weza Segezangani in a panic buy because of the two left-footed players were injured. So Lepo, Miguel, no Sirino, Mhlambe no Fiach and Ntwari, I can say those are the players that Nabi said, you know what, I want these players. I'm not sure no Fiach and Ntwari, but Lepo, Miguel, no Sirino, maybe Nega Sirino mhlambe iwela na Kaizer Chiefs. So Unabi has every right to be like, the club needs to give me all the resources, the club needs to give me all the tools, because of he hasn't really went out there and said I want 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. No, most of the players that were bought under Nabi, most of those players Aksama play, it was that thing yokuthi Kaizer Chiefs says again, no Maurice, guys, let's be honest, Maurice, it was just a thing yokuthi Kaizer Chiefs maybe said, you know what, we can get you this guy for now, for the remainder of the season. You understand? I don't think a coach like Nabi woke up and said, I want Teshrick Morris. Never. So let's use our heads. Guma player lawa 80 that were bought under Unabi. Most of those players actually go ahead. It was the players that Kaizer Chiefs said, you know what, these are the players that we can get for now. These are the players that we can work with for now. That guy went and said, if the club doesn't give me the right tools, then I can't. So if ubeyazi ukuthi from the beginning of the season bathe na imali wathenga wonke lama player lawa 8, he was never gonna go out there and be like, hey, the way asho ngakhona. Because of club bezothi no, you can't say that. So he's saying that because of his crying for help. Umchita said, I don't wanna go through what I went through this season. So lento lena, it goes back to Kaizer Chiefs. It shows you how greedy sometimes those guys can be, and it shows you the difference between Sundowns and the Kaizer Chiefs. That's the difference. We always complain about Sundowns with Sundowns. No. Those guys are not afraid to break the bank for the players that they want. Those guys are not afraid to go and buy equality. Those guys are not afraid of spending. Angeke sifike la sifuna ukuya khona ngama shortcut. You want quality, you spend money. You want quality, you spend money. Into yenza Downs. You want quality. It Downs in a team A and a team B. Team B, yes, Sundowns, yes, iyaqala for Kaizer Chiefs. Abo bathusi obazi, abo Morena, ama players angaqala for Kaizer Chiefs ku starting lineup, but that's team B, yes, Sundowns. So you want quality, you invest, you spend. Yinto Kaizer Chiefs millions. Lento ama shortcut needs to come to an end. So if Nabi leaves, sizobe sazi sonke ukuthi kusuke kwenzakaleni. I think now it's clear. I think this episode cleared everything. But if Nabi leaves, sonke sizobe sazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. You want quality, you spend money. You give the coach into efunayo so that no one's umsekela into khona ukuthi baba, we gave you everything that you want. So now it's gonna be pointless and unreasonable for Chiefs to sack Unabi because of he hasn't really gotten what he wanted. So guys, please, let's fix that one. And what I can say is Kaizer Chiefs, with the transfer window next year, we need to be aggressive and ruthless. Break the bank. All the players that Nabi says, I want this one, break the bank. Budget is never a problem for Kaizer Chiefs. I think that's common knowledge for everyone. Go and break the bank if you want us to go back there. Here's the right coach telling you guys indirectly, hey, give me what I need, I'll take this club back to where it belongs. Come on guys, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, support Nelson.